procedure, no, procedure, no, procedure, procedure, procedure. Assalamu alaikum dear viewers, welcome back to English Holic. I'm Jihad from English Holic. I'm back to you again with another new video, and this video is special. Yeah, seriously, take it specially, because you know, if you haven't done this before, you're lucky, but if you have, then no, you're not lucky. Because in this video I'm going to show you 5 words that are really mispronounced, commonly mispronounced, and mostly mispronounced. I could say anyone mispronouncing this. I could say no one with the correct pronunciation. So this video is specially made for you, and if you watch this, please don't mispronounce the word anymore. And what's the words? Let's see the words. First one is our country's name. It's Bangladesh, but we pronounce Bangladesh. No, it's the Bengali pronunciation, not the English. When you want to talk in English, then you have to pronounce Bangladesh. The stress at the last syllable, dash. Bangladesh, Bangladesh. So pronounce like that. Then the second one, it's procedure, procedure, or procedure. The British pronunciation is procedure, and the American pronunciation is procedure. So you have to pronounce these two, not procedure or procedure. Okay, the third word is restaurant. The British pronunciation is restaurant, and the American restaurant or restaurant, not restaurant. We say restaurant, it's wrong. Restaurant or restaurant, restaurant or restaurant. And the fourth word is B-U-R-Y. What do you pronounce this? Please comment. If you pronounce Bari or Buri or Buri, you're wrong. It's berry. I've seen a lot of people, even celebrities, pronouncing these words wrongly, because it's pronounced berry, not Bari, Buri or Buri. And the last word is curiosity. When you have some questions in your mind to know something, that's called curiosity, not curiosity. We also make mistake with the spelling of this word. Remember, C-U-R-I-O-S-I-T-Y, curiosity, not curiosity, C-U-R-I-S-I-T. So if you have watched this, please don't make these mistakes again. And if you haven't, please share this video. Your friends could see this and make their pronunciation better. You know what? Pronunciation is the 25% of spoken English. Wherever you go, if in an interview or in any exam, you need pronunciation. So be careful with this. Hope this was helpful for you. If it, please give a like, comment, and share our videos. And don't forget to subscribe. Follow us on Facebook. Okay, love is.